lighter, some paper, just to get it started. Problem is with these little Bic lighters, when it's really cold, it's hard for them to run. You gotta warm them up. That might be good. Put my hand. Put a little bit of fat wood so it burns longer. Set that right there. Get some wood ready. I don't want to chop anything up today. I'm gonna chop it today. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, that's going. Cheated a little bit. It's all right. Right now is the time when you really want to practice with the striker. When it's cold and your hands are hurting. But I've already practiced a lot like that, so. See, hopefully that starts. All right, when I woke up, it was 31. Right now it's 32, so it's just about freezing temperatures right now. I don't know if you can see it. So it's pretty cold. All right, now the real test. Oh, the sun just started peeking through. It's gonna get warm, but anyway, my diesel heater is at the last bit. It used all of the diesel fuel last night. It's probably gonna cut off soon, actually. So you can see it. It's all the way at the bottom. And the sucker is at the other side of the bottom. I want my diesel heater on just a little bit more, burn the last bit of fuel. My vent just popped off right when I barely moved it, so I'm so glad it didn't happen last night. So the fuel intake is at the back side of the diesel heater. So I just propped it up, and I gave me probably about another 30 minutes of run time. Oh yeah. That is absolutely perfect. A little bit too much sugar. I don't want any coffee grounds. Alright, so that'll stay warm for a minute. Let's do it. Using boiling water to try to clean the eggs a little bit. So I burnt the eggs. Alright, good morning. I woke up, got my clothes on, set up my breakfast station, made my eggs, made my coffee, started my fire, and it's a beautiful morning. The sun broke up over the mountain right here a little bit ago. It's warming up. We started about 31 degrees. Right now it's 40. My tent stayed, I got down to 31. My tent was at, I think, 62 or something like that. And it wasn't on max. My damn thing. So my tent stayed warm, but it wasn't on max. But it got down to freezing temperatures, 31, it's about freezing, 31 Fahrenheit. And just enjoying the morning. You can hear the stream. Oh, I forgot to go fish. Cook breakfast. I'm gonna go down the stream, see if there's any fish out there, and just enjoy my morning. So I'll let you join me. Thanks. Nice. Hot already. A little burnt. It's okay. I'm not usually a breakfast person, which makes me feel bad because me and my kids usually have cereal for breakfast, but I'll make it up to them next time. Hopefully we'll have some pancakes. They don't like scrambled eggs. A little burnt. Still good. I'm pretty much all packed up. I just got to take my tent down now. I had my breakfast, I had my coffee, I threw water on the fire. I got to check it again. So now the last thing is putting away my tent. It's completely empty. It's pretty much the last thing. Almost the last thing. Right before I leave, I'm gonna utilize my beautiful bathroom. I'm excited. This is such a beautiful view right here. Look at that. Look at that view. But yeah, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick, finish packing up, and then we'll get on our way. But I just wanted to thank you now for sticking through another video with me. And I hope you enjoy this one. Canadian Meadows Campground. It's about 2 hours from where I live in Antelope Valley, Palmdale, Lancaster area. It's a beautiful campground, and it's free. You don't have to pay nothing. Pull up to a campsite, fire pits, picnic tables. Very nice. I suggest it highly. So anyway, thanks for catching me on another video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.